Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence Made It Up to Me with Flowers. Queen and Clarence, let's get into it. That's so sweet.
You know what?
You know I bring flowers often.
Thank you. Y'all wasn't even expecting it.
Those are gorgeous. Good job, Claire. Ooh. Ooh, the roses.
Yes. Thank you. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Queen, and we are back with another video slash vlog. Today is Sunday. I woke up pretty late. I actually woke up around 1 something. Well, I did wake up at 9 at first, took Legend to the potty, and then went back to sleep. So then I woke up at 1. I think Clarence woke up before me. He told me, he was like, oh, okay, it's time to get up. And y'all, I literally had to join in church service like right before the sermons when I got on, so I was just in time for that. I told Clarence I would start vlogging after church ended. So right now it is literally 4 in the afternoon. Oh wait, I didn't tell y'all the reason why I did wake up so late is because me and Clarence have been staying up super late. Last night we stayed up until 4:30 in the morning, y'all. So 4:30 is exactly 12 hours from when we went to bed. We was decluttering our room because yeah, we just gotta keep it moving. It's almost time to leave this house, and we gotta really just crunch down on getting everything out of here that we're not gonna bring into the new house. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit more of that. Not so much of that though. I've been cooking, like for the past few weeks, I've been cooking every Sunday. So I'm making
See, that's good. I love when you got a Sunday meal. So she doing good. You know, that way the kids got a tradition. Like on Sunday, you know, their mama cooking
a meal today, and I think I'm gonna be doing like something on a healthier side because y'all, I found my scale last night and I stepped on it and I was almost 160. Like 160, y'all. For me, I'm 5'2", so for me that don't look good on me. Instead of making Alfredo or any pasta, anything like that, I'm just be making some grilled chicken breasts, some broccolini, which I never made before. I'm really excited to make because I don't really like broccoli like that, but I've had broccolini at a restaurant before, and it was actually pretty good. I like this. So I'm going to do some broccolini. And I was going to make brownies with the kids tonight before they went to sleep. As you can see right now, the couch I'm sitting on, it doesn't have the seats on it because I'm going to take off all the covers and wash them because I think we are going to sell this couch too. I really was thinking, though, the kids are going to need like a couch upstairs for like the little area. And I was thinking about maybe keeping 3 of these pieces for them so they can have somewhere to sit. Because I don't always want them on the white couch that we got. So that's that. And yeah, it's just going to be a little vlog. Clarence is he went to the grocery store. He went to Trader Joe's. That boy loved Trader Joe's. And yeah, it's another make.
Do y'all like Trader Joe's? Y'all got one where y'all stay? I kind of like it. It's I don't know. Now, if I had a Publix, I'd be happy. So apparently I don't live nowhere where it's a Publix because I'd be very, very happy if I had one. But I don't know. I gotta grow on me. I guess I ain't spent enough time in there. I've been there. It's some cool stuff in there. I probably gotta check it out a couple more times.
Up list, lounge around the house, laundry, clean up, cook type of day. So yeah, that's that. And I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell so you can know when.
You heard the woman. Click the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Be like MH and make comments and stuff. I want to hear from y'all.
We upload again. And I think me and Clarence might be leaving this week to go on a little vacation. A little mini vacation. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to be like out the country or anything. But we might leave to get away a little bit because I did see the comments and y'all was like that y'all wanted, like, we're not boring, but y'all would like to see different scenery. And to be honest, y'all not the only ones. Like, we want to see a different scenery too, but it's just been so much going on that like it's hard to just in the middle of all this like go somewhere or like plan a trip. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned for this vlog.
Also I want to say, of course, shout out to MH. Hey Marie Tucker, how you doing, girl? And yeah, just appreciate all the love from my point of view. What's up? Thank y'all for commenting and liking and subscribing and all. Just wanted to give a couple shout outs real quick. Thank y'all.
This is close to dinner time. I'm definitely gonna start cooking, but before I start cooking, I have to unload and load the dishwasher because I don't know about y'all, but I'm not cooking with no dirty dishes in my sink or on my counter or none of that. I just cannot do that. But yeah, I'm doing this first.
I can't either. I need a clean space. Like, I really gotta clean everything, have all my dishes, like, you know, already cleaned or something. But at least a counter space. Even if you put the dishes in the dishwasher, like, I need to wipe down the counter before I even start. Because I hate clutter on there when you're trying to clean. It's always something that get in the way. It's annoying. So I got you, girl.
Don't worry, y'all. I know you already seen some cleaning stuff, so I'm not gonna do the whole vlog like this. I'm about to actually take this fruit. I was supposed to wash.
That's a cute shirt. Today I felt like being cute but casual but still sexy in this oversized tee. Okay, girl.
Yesterday when I bought it, but I didn't feel like it, so I'm going to be washing it now. We got some blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries. I'm not gonna lie, I will never buy strawberries cut again because I had a really bad experience. So the pre-cut ones, you know, that they wash, they cut them for you. You can just eat them straight out the pack. I got some last time and I seen like 3 maggots in it. So never again will I.
Oh, child. Oh, she almost took me out. Queen. I do not play around like that. No, ma'am. Oh. I mean, I don't really buy them because I like cutting off the top myself, but I will never buy them now.
That I don't trust them washing it. They probably didn't mean to do it, but I just don't trust it. I'm just get the strawberries, this whole, cut them up myself, because never again. Clarence bought this little fruit washer thing, so like, when you put it in here or whatever, you just put the fruit in there, and once you drain it, all the water will just go into that bowl, and you can see all the stuff that was in the fruits. Sprinkle some of that in there, just kind of like start filling it up. Just really like wash off each strawberry, like rinse it.
I like how she showed how she wash stuff and prepare and prep and stuff. That's so important.
Look, y'all. So it drains itself. This is what the water is given. Make sure y'all washing your fruits. I'm gonna give it one more rinse though. I'm gonna lift this up. And then I'm gonna cut them up as we take them out. I'm not gonna do it now. And I just cleaned my berries, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I put my raspberries and blueberries together. I mean blackberries and raspberries together. This is a raspberry water. Ugh. Ugh, what?
It's nasty.
What you eating on? What you eating?
Vegetables and more.
Hey, CJ. He has so much personality, y'all.
Kids. Both my kids is around here half naked right now. Legend don't have on underwear because we doing intense potty training. CJ is just in his boxers. Welcome to my life as a mom. You know what?
I bring flowers often.
Thank you. Y'all wasn't even expecting this. Oh, he's so sweet. Bought in some groceries from.
He really is. That's sweet. You know, it's just a little thing sometimes. That mean a lot.
Trader Joe. Whoa. This looks like Whole Foods. Is this Whole Foods, babe? Oh, yeah, Whole Foods. And Trader Joe's. And flowers. Oh. My bad. Y'all can't see me trying to smell them. Hold on. Let me wash my hand off. I was going to go see if Legend's iPad, what was going on with it, but we're going to have to replace it.
There's some juice.
Legend got juice in his iPad. Can't really see
Like
it.
juice or water. Nah, it's juice for sure.
I'm about to put these in a, hold on. Let me vase these real quick. These are so pretty. I remember my favorite color used to be yellow. Yellow is still.
That's cute. It's kind of like a yellowy orange too, you know? That's cute. Or was that marigold? Y'all let me know. I don't know all these colors, so I'm guessing marigold. Let me know if I'm wrong.
Yeah, red roses, but like, we always get red. So I got you some, like, I don't know what that is, like yellow, orange, and then some white ones.
Thank you.
Y'all wanna see what I got?
Yeah, do a little haul.
I don't know if y'all know. Do they know?
Know about what?
That like,
He loves Trader Joe's?
I love Trader Joe's.
Oh yeah, I told him that.
To like this vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really love Trader Joe's. Like, I'm honestly addicted. Almost. Yeah, you can say addicted. I'm almost addicted, guys.
Let's see what you got, mister.
So let's do the Trader Joe's first. Of course.
I need to see what he be getting at Trader Joe's today, like off the chain. Like, I need to know so I can go get it.
Turkey burgers. I'm addicted.
I do like turkey burgers, y'all.
Bought a whole pack, like, what, yesterday? 2 days ago? The day before yesterday, and I ate all of them.
How many was in here?
So Queen didn't even get to have one. Like, Queen wasn't even able to get one. So they only come with 4 in a pack. So I bought 2 packs. So you can have one.
Oh, thank you.
What time are you gonna cook today?
I was about to start as soon as you came in here.
Bro,
Get
try
the chicken
these.
out and beat the
I'm
meat.
telling you, OD. Season them things. And then this is for you.
Shrimp burgers.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I know you asked for those the other day.
Yeah, we didn't have none.
We only had salmon burgers.
We trying to eat a little healthier. I told him I was almost 160.
You gotta get at least 1 pack every time you go in there. I'm probably gonna eat these tonight with some.
Wait, don't you have some in the fridge?
Yeah, but you gotta have some on standby. I'm gonna eat this tonight with some chili crunch oil.
I'm about to try some of that. Can I try one?
Yeah, them shit's bust. So that was a small Trader Joe's little haul, and I got those flowers at Trader Joe's.
They smell really good.
They got a large flower selection over there. Bring your lady some flowers here and there. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Say it again for the people in the back, Claire. He said, bring us some flowers if you want her to feel special. It's a couple songs ago like that. Y'all go ahead, comment and what those songs are.
Brioche hamburger buns from Whole Foods. I didn't go to Publix this time.
Are you sleeping on Publix, babe?
No, I'm not sleeping on Publix, but I'm trying to be a little more conscious and healthy. And Whole Foods, you know that app that I be using? Everything you scan from there is healthy. I got some more spinach. Put them in smoothies.
Okay, I like this trying to be healthy, Claire. That's good. Y'all go ahead.
And stuff. You're not gonna like this, but I got some brown butter cookies.
Oh, babe, why you do that?
She loves these, and we both love these. These is fire. Oh my god.
Oh, them was my favorite.
Brown butter chocolate chip cookies. If y'all haven't had those, man.
Okay, now I gotta try those too. Y'all like them? Y'all let me know. Are they good? She losing her man over there.
Oh my goodness, I had a whole box of them for my tour.
Yeah, these are the broccolini.
Thank you.
You asked for.
This broccolini look better than the one I got from Publix.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, the other ones are good
It was
too.
mad leaves in the other
It
one.
was so many leaves. Like, this one's fully grown.
This is just broccolini.
No, yeah, this is fully grown out. Oh, it's so nice.
I got some guac, spicy guac to be exact.
I've never had spicy guacamole.
In the morning. Got some red onions. Did we have red onions? No, right? Yeah. Chopped red onions is a must. The older I get, the more I like onions. It's weird. I never really liked onions. I still don't like onions on certain things. But like, onions that give stuff flavor.
They give it flavor, I'm telling you.
It gives it.
You just don't like you don't like the texture, like you don't like the crunch of it.
Maybe.
Yeah, for y'all that I guess they ain't made it to 30. Your taste do change when you get older. Those stuff like coffee, like I did not mess with coffee at all before I hit probably 40. Like I wasn't messing with coffee at all. And now like I like it. Like not all the time. Like I had a period where I was drinking it like all the time a couple years ago. But like I drink it and it's good. I ain't gotta have it, but like I would not touch it. I was like, no, I'm strictly tea. But anyway, I'm off topic, but still, your taste changed.
I don't know.
Me,
I don't like, you know what it is? I don't like fast food.
Like McDonald's onions?
I don't like fast food onions.
Yeah. Cause they don't be cooked onions. I got you, Claire.
I make the onions and like I grill them and like they.
McDonald's got the best onions on their McDoubles, like the little diced onions.
I seen these on TikTok, but I'm not gonna lie. I think one of these is old.
Yo, I'm trying
everything.
everything.
Look at that.
Is that a canepas? What is that?
What the hell? Why is there just one old one? They're kumquats.
Kumquats.
I'm gonna have to wash the shit out of those.
What's a kumquat?
I have no idea, but I heard good things about them. Seen them on TikTok, kumquats.
Yeah,
damn, I want to get them out of here.
I want a cookie so bad, but don't hold back.
With the brown butter joint?
Yes. I want one right now. I'm gonna wait till later.
I got this healthy chocolate bar that I seen on TikTok also. We're gonna try those. Bro, TikTok is like, TikTok is the new Google. Like, no one Googles anything no more. Like, if you want to know what's healthy or you about to go to a certain store, all you gotta do is type in that store and it's gonna be 8,000 videos talking about what you should get from the store. So that's what I be doing. It makes me spend more money, but
I love TikTok. For those reasons. Like, if you go on my TikTok, I'm not watching people dance. I'm watching, like,
I'm mainly food.
all types of house things and
electronic stuff.
Well, I feel like we getting so much older.
Who remembers this juice when they were younger?
The glass when I heard that apple juice was
Yeah, that juice is good.
really good.
Man, I remember these though. I wonder if Legend likes them. Or you think you should start giving him this apple juice? Because I scanned it and it's excellent. So when you're shopping, the less ingredients, the better. And if you look at all of this stuff, like they only have 3 ingredients. Like a turkey burger should have what? Turkey. It should have turkey and other shit you can't pronounce. You know what I mean?
Turkey and the glutexacoat.
Yeah, glutexacon. Metamorphosis. Like, come on.
Look, y'all, I gotta put the
I tried
Oh, those are pretty.
one Olipop the other day, and I didn't like it, but Queen did. I had the vintage cola.
I know that grape is busting.
But I got grape, and I got cherry vanilla. I can't even see why.
No, put it in more.
So I got grape, and I got cherry vanilla. I think the grape probably going crazy. The other day I bought Trader Joe's chili crunch oil, but then I went on TikTok, and everybody was saying the Momofuku chili crunch oil from Whole Foods was way better. So
what is a chili crunch? Like, is it like?
I always eat it with the steamed dumplings. It's really good. Also got some organic peanut butter from Whole Foods, organic.
This is so pretty.
Health is wealth. We're gonna start going more organic, y'all. Less beef burgers,
more turkey burgers.
Yeah.
I love it, Claire. Yes, say that, bruh.
Hey, I seen this meme on Instagram that like people think if they make they stuff with ground turkey, they're gonna live an extra 14 years.
That's how I'm gonna do things. Like I'm gonna go more to Trader Joe's for the food, because I think they have the best frozen food that you could get. But Whole Foods, I feel like they got the snacks, the organic, healthy snacks on deck. I be making oats in the morning, like overnight oats. But they got these little packaged when I want to see how they are. It's mush. They got peanut butter, rolled oats, overnight oats, and apple cinnamon. So we're gonna try that. I'm not gonna lie, Whole Foods is very expensive. And then I got this for the kids, cause they ashy. Kids be ashy, bro. Around here, like it look like I don't know what's wrong with them. This is how the app work, guys. So you see this? Any barcode right here. You get the barcode. You open the app. It's gonna be like that, and you scan it.
And it shows you.
Look how good it is. 100 out of 100. No risk. No nothing. That's it. That's it for the haul right there.
That's a little Whole Foods haul, y'all.
And did you tell him about the iPad? Tried to get it fixed, y'all, but that iPad been through it all. I'm not gonna lie. Look, he just looked up when I said iPad. iPad.
I'm about to start cooking, y'all. I'm about to start this chicken, y'all. But first I gotta cut off all the fat because Clarence is gonna go crazy if we have fat on the chicken. And I will too, to be honest, because who wants that on a chicken? Like, come on, be real. Cutting off all the fat on the ends. I'ma clean my chicken. I'm gonna actually get a lemon and cut it and clean it with lemon and water.
Okay. I know you love that, right?
I'll put some lemon juice on here.
I'm gonna get you a brand new iPad, okay? Alright, you're gonna get dizzy. Start doing that.
Be sure to wash your hands after touching raw meat, y'all. Have my chickens dry. My chickens, front and back. Make it nice and flat. And now that our chicken is flattened out, I'm gonna go in with some seasoning, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper. I love this Kickin' Chicken seasoning by Weber.
Yeah, that's good, y'all.
Garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and sazon. Put some oil on the chicken real quick. Pink Himalayan salt. Oh, this could really hurt your hands. Love it. Garlic powder, onion powder. Those two go together like sister and brother. Usually when you're using garlic powder, you gotta put onion powder too. So Kickin' Chicken seasoning. I'm gonna rub all that in. Sazon, smoked paprika. So a lot of people say it's the difference between smoked paprika and regular. I never can tell the difference. But we're gonna use smoke because it sounds better. Look at that chicken right there. I'm about to rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in.
Go get the other one.
That's good. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the same exact thing. Before I get started on the chicken, I just wanna put the broccoli in the oven. So this is how it looks. I cut off the ends. I'm gonna put some avocado oil on there. Pink Himalayan salt on here. Some garlic powder. I'm gonna give it a nice little toss, I guess. Put these in the oven. My broccoli is in the oven, and instead of going the pan route, I decided to use this air fryer slash baker slash roaster. The people down gave this to me like a real long time ago. It's my first time using it. So I'm gonna see what it do, and yeah. It's about to start. We're gonna see how that works. All right, y'all, so the broccoli came out and it looked pretty good. They cook pretty fast too. But this is how it looks, and the chicken is cooking. Got 2 more minutes. I put some butter on there. It looks like it's gonna be good. All right, y'all, so Clarence's plate is done. This looks pretty healthy.
Do you want some more berries?
Oh, your body's done.
More what?
Mom, I want some more berries, Mommy and Dad, please.
Okay, I'll give you some more. You want some chicken? You want some chicken?
No.
Just berries?
Do you want some? Do you want some rice?
No.
Do you want some oatmeal?
No.
You want some pizza?
No.
Let's get the kids some berries.
But yeah, that's how it looks. It looks good. And I'm about to make CJ's plate in mine. So I had to redo the roses, y'all, because I didn't want to put them in 2 separate things. But this is a vase I put them in. And it's so pretty, y'all. Look at that.
It really is.
All right, so the sweet potato casserole that I bought box made is done now. And that look like pecans in there, I think. I'm about to try a little bit on camera to see what it's giving. It's good. It's actually good. I would say 7 out of 10. You want to try it, babe? You want to try a little bit?
Yeah, I need to go stream right now.
Be mindful because we're going to mix all this together. So you have a lot of salt on here. Don't put a lot of salt in here. Cook it. That's it. Slowly because we have juices at the bottom. All right, y'all. Mix it up a little more.
It's good.
What rating would you get out of 10?
Go slow.
It's fire, actually. I give it like an 8.
Okay. I gave it a 7, but to be honest, it is really good. Yeah.
What you put in it?
Nothing. It was a pan one.
That's good.
Yeah, I put.
Nah, it's fire. I'm not gonna lie.
That
Like,
would've-
usually you be needing like butter or like that shit don't need nothing. That's
Yeah.
fire right there.
That would have been good with the meal too.
You gotta remember that one. Whoa.
Let me get the box. This is the one, y'all. Savannah Classics sweet potato casserole. If you ever don't want to cook, like or like boil sweet potatoes, whatever, that's the quick and easy way to get a nice little side. Ain't no shame in my game, because I know I can cook. It's just gotta work smarter sometimes, not harder. So
That's very true. Especially when you got 2 boys, you got to do what you got to do, sis.
we did that, and it's like 8:10. CJ, you showered today?
No. I smell his booty from here.
How about you go shower, then you can come back and watch TV, okay?
Okay.
Smell his booty from right here. No, don't even touch me, bro.
Don't touch me, okay?
Them two.
What?
Wait, where's Legend?
Where is Legend?
So for this segment of the video, we have a special guest. CJ, what is wrong with you?
That sounds so good. Oh.
You like that sound? That's satisfying? All right, we have a special guest.
Which is...
Hey, CJ!
CJ.
Don't y'all miss CJ? CJ.
I do. I adore him. I love Legend too, but CJ, now he's doing special guest segments. Okay, Pooh.
You want to tell them what we about to be doing? We're about to be making some brownies, because I told him that we would tonight.
I love some brownies, y'all. Ooh, I love brownies now.
Hershey's milk chocolate and some
Milk chocolate what?
sprinkles.
Frosting. You can read to them the things that we need.
We gonna need some 3 tablespoons of water.
Yep, so let me get that.
1-2 cup vegetable oil.
Half cup of vegetable oil. So let's get that.
Like, I want to taste like vegetables. He's so cute. Oh my God.
Mommy, vegetables?
It's not vegetables, it's vegetable oil.
Yeah, but mommy, you put vegetables.
So vegetable oil, we're gonna get some water.
And the last ingredient
Is
2 egg crackers.
2 eggs. So the first thing that you want to do is heat our oven to
8,000
350.
degrees. How many minutes?
bake for 350.
350 minutes.
No, 350, that's the temperature.
Oh, how many minutes?
22 to 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Yep. So the first thing we're gonna do, I want you to
Crack some eggs.
no, not yet. Crack some eggs. So you want to tell them how's life been for you? Like how's school been? Like
For 8 years.
yeah, tell them about your 8 years of life. How you been feeling for 8 years?
Good and great, and I went to school.
What else?
And I played, watched TV, I played my game.
What's your favorite game to play?
Fortnite and 2K23.
And who do you love to watch on stream or TV?
I Show Speed.
He loves I Show Speed, y'all. Like CJ he's a fan of I Show Speed, so maybe hopefully one day he can meet I Show Speed. I personally think that I Show Speed is hilarious. Like he be barking at the camera, like he got some screws missing, but he's funny. He's funny as heck. You want to go ahead and pour that? You want to pour that in here? you pour it in there without making it?
Did some of his videos before, y'all. So go back and watch the old footage. We did do his when he was barking at some girl he liked and stuff.
Mess?
It smells good.
CJ, come here. Go ahead, pour it in there without making a mess.
How many?
Pour the whole thing in there.
Whole thing?
Yeah, go ahead. Whole thing.
Ooh,
Yup,
smells
yup.
like hot chocolate.
Get all of it in there, all the powder.
I cannot eat this.
You ain't gonna wanna eat that. All right. So we got this. All right.
Mmm, so good.
Boy. 3 tablespoons of water and a half cup of vegetable oil. So let's do the 3 tablespoons of water right now.
It's
What the
good.
heck? 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do a half cup of vegetable oil. So let me get the half cup.
Smells like doo-doo.
What?
It looks like diarrhea when you put water on it.
It don't smell like doo-doo though.
I mean, it does.
All right, you
That's a boy answer right there.
open this and put it in here?
Yeah.
I'll hold this. And stop. Stop. No, stop. So boom, you see that? That's a half cup. Now, you want to crack an egg?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you first how to do it, and then you do it. So, boom. Do a light so you don't get no shells in here.
Like this.
No, one more time.
Okay. One more.
Yeah,
One more.
one more time.
Hard. A little.
A
bit?
little hard.
I'm scared.
All right, now go ahead. Do it lightly. Don't squeeze it too hard. Just break it in half.
Come on, Pete.
Come on.
I don't know how to.
Oh. Okay,
I
cool.
didn't push it hard.
Okay, here. Go put that in the trash. Go. And then wash your hands. We got our mixer, our KitchenAid mixer. I don't think it's no sugar.
I really want to do that. Ma, it's making a spiral.
Okay, don't make too much of a mess though. All right, y'all. You go turn it off now. You can turn it off now.
It's okay.
No, CJ, you can turn it off now. It's done. How about it's okay?
Oh, this fat juicy booty. Yeah. Uma's going in little squares. Oh, I like when it goes in little squares.
Come on.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
It is. Hold on. Keep it. Hold it. Why you laughing like Goofy? All right, here, let me. Go ahead, go wash your hands now.
Can I look?
You can lick it a little bit. You'll be okay. Oh, by the way, y'all, Clarence went to go stream, so yeah, just letting y'all know. Voila. We're going to put it in the oven now. We'll be right back. So y'all, our brownies are done, but we are going to make it better because right now it's looking pretty dry, but it's not. We're gonna put the frosting on there and the sprinkles. Look at that, y'all.
Y'all be doing it up with frosting and sprinkles.
Legend, you want to put the sprinkles on?
The big boy, he get to put the sprinkles on. Hey, Legend.
Good job. Yay.
Guys, some over here.
Here, you do it now. Corners too. Oh, hold on, Leggy. Wow.
Wow!
Look at what we did. That's our brownies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, say cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Oh, so cute. He making a funny face.
Tickle. All right, now let me cut it up.
Ma, that's a small brownie. That's a small brownie. small brownie. That's small brownie.
It's too small.
So funny. He has so much fun. Legend is enjoying this. He like, yes.
Legend.
Small brownie. That look good.
Do it. You want to lick the knife?
Huh.
Is that yummy? Ooh. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheese. All right, now let's eat up. Okay, y'all, so fast forward, I am doing a TikTok. I'm filming a TikTok. Well, I'm almost done with it, but I'm basically doing, excuse how I'm talking, like my lips are like can't move my lips. But the boy's been asleep for maybe like 2 hours so far. I just did a whole little get ready with me for bed routine. Clarence is still streaming, and we were gonna do some more stuff tonight after his stream. I don't know if we're going to or not, because we always say we're gonna do something at night and then end up falling asleep. But this is what's going on. Like I said, I always end up going to bed in the midnight hours between 2 and 4 o'clock. So yeah, I really need some help with that. So I'm gonna go get me some sleepy time tea for the first time and see how, well no, I shouldn't do that if we plan on, like, forget it, I'm gonna do it.
All right. Y'all have a good night. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.